Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. Today, we are going to discuss a case law on the maintenance to be given to the child till he attains majority. Actually, now that boy is an adolescent, till he attains the majority, it is the duty of the father to maintain him. That too, as per the status of his father, the child should be maintained. This is what is stated, held by the Honorable Supreme Court of India, two judges bench, Justice M.R. Shah and A.S. Bepanna, while disposing the case of Neha Tyagi versus Lieutenant Colonel Deepak Tyagi, in civil appeal number 6324 by 2021. You can see the citation in Live Law 2021 SC page number 700. The Supreme Court, two judges bench, held that a child should not be made to suffer, whatever be the dispute between wife and husband. No doubt, the Honorable High Court of Rajasthan already nullified the marriage or gave decree, but as regards the maintenance, the dispute has come to the Supreme Court. Better you understand the problem, I will narrate the story what happened. So, Mrs. Neha Tyagi married Mr. Dinesh Tyagi, who was working in the army in Jaipur at that particular time. The marriage was solemnized on 16/11/2005. As a result of their happy married life, the boy, present child, so he is Pranav Tyagi. He was born in 2008. 18, yeah, about to get his this thing, right? Now what happened is, actually this man might have, this is my assumption, I don't know correctly, he might have got some extra affairs, whatever it is. She used to file complaints to the, even the army officers also, against the husband as regards harassment and also cruelty, as well as having extra marital affairs. So the army, they have conducted an interdepartmental inquiry, and actually they have ordered 27%, 22.5% salary to be given to the wife as maintenance, but it was not found to be sufficient. Therefore, she filed a case in the family court, and this man also filed, he has contested the same. Ultimately, she has proved that he remarried, and since they have been living separately from 2011 itself, the family court deemed that it is an irretrievably broken marriage. There is no hope of joining them or uniting them. Therefore, so decree of divorce under section 13 of the Hindu Marriage Act was granted. But as regards the maintenance, this 22.75% is not enough. That too, the child, now he has become an adolescent, now he has become a major. At this particular point of time, definitely he might have to study intermediate or engineer or something like that. For that, heavy amount is necessary. Therefore, Neha Tyagi went an appeal to the Supreme Court to enhance the so-called maintenance. So you may be knowing, when once the maintenance is ordered, the husband is paying, but only thing is 22.5. So therefore, it is not sufficient. There she has filed the approach at the Honorable Supreme Court of India. So Honorable Supreme Court of India held that a child should not be made to suffer, whatever the dispute between the husband and wife may be. So the liability of the husband extends till the child attains the age of majority. It also cannot be disputed that the son has a right to be maintained as per the status of his father. Officer's son, he should be maintained like an officer. So child should not be made to suffer due to disputes between his parents. So therefore, of course, the Honorable Supreme Court did not interfere with the nullity of marriage or granting a divorce. The only thing is, regarding the maintenance to this boy, they have ordered 50,000 per month. Rupees. Husband has to pay 50,000 per month from December 2019. So this is the order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court of India. Why? In order to make the child live a happy life, and in order to make the child pursue his studies, in order to make him to the level of the status of his father. So this is the crux of the judgment. Good judgment. Please read it and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you very much.